Hello folks, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In the words of William Wordsworth, come forth into the light of things, let nature be your teacher. You might be wondering why am I quoting Wordsworth here. This is because I am going to explore two of the most stunning places in the English Lake District, Windermere and Grasmere. These locations have not only captured the hearts of travelers with their natural beauty, but have also been significant inspirations for some of the greatest literary works in English literature. The likes of William Wordsworth, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and Robert Southey found their muses here, and their works continue to inspire generations. In particular, we will visit Dove Cottage, the former home of William Wordsworth, a place where the beauty of nature and the power of written word come together to create an unforgettable experience. If, like me, you are an admirer of English literature, then these are the places for you. I highly recommend watching this video until the very end. We began our journey from Leeds to Windermere, but as there is no direct train route, we had to break our journey at Preston. Windermere serves as the last railway station that connects the Lake District to other parts of England. We are heading to Orrest Head to witness the breathtaking views that it offers. Orrest Head is a small hill located in the Lake District in England. It may be small, but its impact is significant. It is a popular destination for hikers and tourists, not just because it is easily accessible, but because it offers an incredible view. The hill is only 784 feet high, so it is a relatively easy hike for most people. The trail leading to the top of the hill is well maintained and the walk is very pleasant. Standing on the summit of Orrest Head, one can feel a sense of peace and tranquility and can see the magnificent scenery of the Lake District. It is as if the landscape has been painted by a master artist. It is a place to reflect, to take in the beauty of nature, and to recharge one's batteries. The view is so captivating that it is easy to lose track of time and spend hours admiring the scenery. I must say, if you have the opportunity to visit the Lake District, make sure that Orrest Head is on your list of places to visit. You won't be disappointed. Upon reaching the bottom of the hill, you will find yourself in the heart of Windermere. The village is a popular tourist destination and it is easy to see why. The picturesque streets are lined with shops, cafes, and the atmosphere is vibrant and lively. Windermere is the largest natural lake in England, surrounded by breathtaking mountains and forests, making it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. It is a stunning location for hiking, kayaking, or fishing. view of Lake Windermere is truly mesmerizing. The peaceful surroundings and the sparkling water create a sense of calmness that makes it difficult to leave. However, the memories of this stunning scenery will stay with me forever, and I would always love to come back to relive the moment. Now we are going to get on a hop-on, hop-off bus and head to Grasemre, known for its picturesque countryside, including the tranquil Grasemre Lake and the nearby Dove Cottage, which was once home to Wordsworth and her sister Dorothy. The saying "Safar खूबसूरत है मंजिल से भी," which means the journey is more beautiful than the destination, holds a great truth. The journey between Windermere and Grasmere is not just about reaching your destination, it is a delightful experience in itself. I am completely in love with the stunning scenery. Our first stop is Dove Cottage. It is a popular tourist attraction and museum dedicated to the life and works of Wordsworth. Visitors can explore the cottage's original rooms, which have been preserved to reflect the way they would have looked during Wordsworth's time. And view exhibits on his life, work, and legacy. The cottage also features a beautiful garden that was designed by Wordsworth and her sister Dorothy. Whilst living in Dove Cottage with his family, Wordsworth wrote many of his greatest poems. Now we are going to Grasemre Lake. It is surrounded by rolling hills and dense forests, which provide a beautiful backdrop for visitors to enjoy. Grasemre Lake is closely associated with the poet William Wordsworth, who lived in the nearby village of Grasmere from 1799 until his death in 1850. Wordsworth famously described the lake as the loveliest spot that man hath ever found, and wrote several poems inspired by its beauty. One of the poems that holds a special place in my heart is William Wordsworth's Daffodils. Having the opportunity to stay in England, I could not resist the chance to see the house where Wordsworth lived and the lake that inspired his famous poem. The sight of the tranquil waters surrounded by rolling hills and dotted with golden daffodils swaying in breeze must have been a breathtaking experience that brought the poem to life in a whole new way. As I stand there taking in the beauty of the scene, it's easy to imagine how Wordsworth himself must have felt when he wrote, "I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze." What a wonderful way to connect with the history and the beauty of English literature. Whether you are a lover of great outdoors or a fan of classic literature, these two destinations should be on your travel list. With stunning natural beauty, a rich cultural heritage, and a plenty of activities to enjoy, there's something for everyone in this picturesque corner of England. So pack your bags and come experience the magic for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my content. See you soon.